The Senate today summoned the Minister of Finance, Kemi Adeosun, and the Governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, Mr. Godwin Emefiele, to brief lawmakers on the monetary and fiscal policies adopted to salvage the economic situation in the country. The Senate took this decision after a federal lawmaker representing Akwa Ibom State, Basi Akpan, drew attention to a report from the National Bureau of Statistics which states that the Nigerian economy has plunged into recession. Senator Basi explains the decline in gross domestic product and high inflation rate clearly shows that the country's economic policies requires an urgent review to avoid a further downturn of the economy.
This Senate further observes that the report unemployment rate rose to 12.1% in the first quarter of 2016 from 10.4% in the last quarter of 2015. This Senate is further deeply worried that the continued complacency of the current state of our economy, if allowed unchecked, will set the tone for a full-blown economic recession by the end of June next month, 2016, as already confirmed by the Central Bank of Nigeria in her Monetary Policy Committee meeting just of yesterday. I think we have a responsibility, Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, to invite the Governor of the Central Bank and the Minister of Finance to brief the Senate so that we must be able to agree on the modalities that will be deployed to salvage the economy of this great country.